Good morning world, I hope you are so happy, and if you know, we're gonna make brownies and this gonna make you smiling, yes or yes. So let's start with this delicious recipe. First things first, preheat your oven. After that, place butter in a microwave-safe bowl and heat for 30 seconds or until butter is melted. Next, mix butter, white granulated sugar and vanilla until combined. And mix. You can use an electric hand mixer, but really it's too easy, so come on, let's make work that masses we have. So use by hand. Come on, yes, you can do it. So now we're gonna add the 2 eggs and mix. You know the song. It's time for the dry ingredients. So we're gonna add an all-purpose flour, the cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. And don't forget to beat very well until smooth. Wow, look at that. Chocolate. Well, let's back to the recipe. We're gonna chop some pecans and we're gonna add these pecans to our brownie batter. The pecans are already incorporated to the mixture, so now we're gonna prepare our baking pans. We're gonna use the classic square baking pan for brownies. If you don't have a square, use a circle, it's no problem, and a baking spray. But if you don't have this spray, you can use butter and cocoa powder. You put butter in your pan, parchment paper, again butter and cocoa powder, like flour but not flour. This time it's gonna be cocoa powder, and that's it. Easy, right? Pour the brownie batter into the prepared pan. Oh my god, that looks so good. It's so difficult concentrate. That looks so good. And let's go bake in a preheat oven for 20 minutes or until brownies just begin to pull away from the sides of the pan, or when a toothpick inserted in the centers come out clean or with a few crumbs. Remember, each oven is different, so be careful with that, okay? When the brownie is ready, we're gonna let it rest only for 10 minutes. After that, we're gonna mold and let cool completely. In the meanwhile, let's go make our ganache. For the ganache, we're gonna need semi-sweet chocolate chips and whipping cream. It's very easy. Place chocolate and cream in a microwave-safe bowl. Heat this for 30 seconds. Whisk, and if it's not ready, go back to the microwave for 30 seconds and whisk again, and continue until it's completely smooth. Our ganache is ready, so now we're gonna put back the brownie in the pan. Pour the ganache and be sure all the brownies covered. Chill the brownie for 2 hours, but tasting much better overnight. So if you can do it overnight, it's perfect. And let's go make some decorations. For these decorations, we're gonna use black fondant for make 2 eyes and a nose. Just simple like that, nothing more. Our brownie is ready, so we're gonna try to take out the parchment paper. It's important to put a knife on the sides, so when the moment you take him out, it's more, I don't know, clear the side. It's not clear. It's more easy more because the ganache is set. So, and Mathias has to help me take out the parchment paper because it was sticky, and that is a good signal in a brownie. It was chocolate all over the place. He was happy. So if you want, take out the sides of the brownie too. Some persons like it, some persons not. Depends of you. I had to confess I was very surprised because the size of the brownie I was expecting more dry, but it's not. It was just little tiny dry. So if you don't wanna take out the sides, not do it. But if you wanna do it, it depends of you, how I say. And let's go start the decorations. For this we're gonna need sprinkles, of course. And we're gonna start put sprinkles, well, this time at the side in each corner. I don't know, I just decided to do it that. And put the little eyes we made from fondant and the little nose. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's one of the most easy recipes for make for the kids, for grown-ups. I think everyone loves brownie. I don't know no one who say no thank you, I don't want brownie. I normally hear, do you have a little more? You can give me other piece. So jump in the kitchen, make your brownie, enjoy with your family, and if you want you can put a piece of vanilla ice cream. It's just delicious. It's nothing more I can say, just delicious. It's so my name is Fabiana. If you're not subscribed yet, you're welcome to subscribe. How you can see, I don't speak English so good, but I try my best because I try to push my soul every day to you know, fight my fears. Yeah, and you can do it too. So if you speak English and you want to doing something, you feel scared for somebody say, oh my god, how you gonna do that, or the people talking about you, you know what, do it. It's only one life and one opportunity. Have a nice day and see you really soon. Bye. Mwah.
Before yeah,
You gonna tell me
bye.
bye guys. This is my hand. Chécatela. Woohoo!
I will help my YouTube channel.